Hey everyone, it's me Damian and welcome to the second episode of the Mustang Project series here on my channel. Firstly I want to apologize, it's been well over a month since the previous episode. Simply I was really busy, with the university. The semester actually just finished last week, so now over the summer I should be posting very consistently. I really want to, that's the plan. Hopefully starting from when you're seeing this video, it's going to be a good consistency throughout the summer with a video each week. I really hope so. So today I'm just going to update you on what's been up with the Mustang, what we have done over the past few weeks. As I said, the semester was just finishing, so both me and my father were pretty busy, but we have done quite a bit of work to the car, so that's what I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so since the last episode we're actually still working on cleaning the interior. We're actually almost finished with cleaning the interior. I'm actually going to show you what it is right now and show you what we've been cleaning and what the kind of like spray and product we've been using. So yeah, let me show you now. So as we can see, the interior of the car, it's just pretty much the same as in the previous video. Most of it has been stripped apart. We're actually made very good progress with the car. It's almost fully cleaned, but let me explain you what took a very long time to do. Here on the rear window was covered in this. It was actually tinted, so we had to remove the tint, and because the tint was so old and most certainly just by peeling it, the way it came off, it showed that it wasn't very good quality window tint. It took a very long to actually take it off. I mean, mainly it was my dad who was taking it off, because he used like a paint stripper, because that's like the only that's the really powerful thing. That's like the only thing that actually worked to get the tint off the window. So that was mainly while in the meantime I was simply cleaning other components of the car. So as we can see here, the components, all these components are completely covered in dust. I've already cleaned them really well. They're ready to be installed back in the car, so that's what's gonna happen. So yeah, we're actually finally almost finished with cleaning all the interior. All there's left to clean is literally go over the dashboard once more, just to make sure it's like fully clean. And also there's the steering wheel and just here around the dashboard area, and over here. That's all there is left to clean, but everything else is already clean. I mean, man, can you imagine? All this was completely covered in dust about a month ago. Absolutely crazy. It's just looking so good. I mean, the interior is in really good shape, and yeah, it's really looking really nice. I mean, well, I'm just so happy. Even it's not even complete, I'm just really happy to see the result, because yeah, I'm definitely gonna post some before and after pictures once we finish cleaning and assemble all the interior. Because the interior was actually so dirty, we actually had to go over each component. We actually had to go over it 3 times, and I'm gonna show you this spray. This is an absolute lifesaver. I mean, I highly recommend it if you ever need to clean your interior, and you want to make it look almost as new as possible. This is it. It's a really powerful thing. Yes, although it is a carpet spot remover, as you can see, it says excellent for upholstery. So really, it cleans just about anything, and yeah, it works really great. And I believe it's only about $5 or $6 from Lowe's here in America. So yeah, if you're looking to clean some carpet spots or something, really, you're looking to clean it, which many other cleaners, that are not that powerful, simply probably won't work. I highly recommend you get this, because you will not be disappointed with the results, I am telling you. Another cleaner we use to clean some of the dashboard area is this protectant, which I'll show you right now. So yeah, it's like a protectant for for the dashboard. It works on plastic, vinyl and rubber, and yeah, it just helps you get that new fresh look of the interior, just to make it look like new again. So yeah, really nice. This one is from Walmart, but I'm pretty sure you can get it from AutoZone or just any other shop which sells it. So yeah, we're almost finished with the interior now. We can actually finally start working on the engine bay in a few days, continuing to clean it, and also starting to check all the hoses and everything, check for leakage, check for damage, whatever there is, and start working on getting the car finally started again. So yeah, that's that. Just one more thing, I just want to show you some additions we got to the garage, because we have so much tools now. It's pretty cool. So the first addition to the garage is we got these two like garage tools. They're adjustable here, and that will really help us because when we're working around the car, we wouldn't have to stand up all the time because your knees start to hurt. So I definitely think they are indeed a good addition to the garage. And as well as this, we got an engine stand just in case we need to pull out the engine of the car. As we can see here, this is the engine stand. It was on discount, so we got it from Harbor Freight. So yeah, this is really in case we need to pull out the engine if it's not working, if we are concerned that the block of the engine is cracked or anything like that. And even if we don't use it for the Mustang, I really hope we don't have to actually end up taking the engine apart, because that'll take more time to actually get the car back on the road. But if it's necessary, of course it will happen. And even if we don't use it for the Mustang, we definitely plan with my father in the future, after we finish restoring my Mustang and I'm able to have it as my my car and drive it all the time. We're definitely planning on getting other projects, getting other cars, restoring them and then selling them again. So it will definitely be a nice addition, and it was in a good, it was a really low price, so it's definitely been a good addition to the garage. So yeah, just one more thing, if you're not already following the Instagram for the Mustang, I highly recommend you do. I've been trying to post quite consistently on there, and I'm actually this summer we will be away, going back to our home country Bulgaria for 2 months. So the Mustang won't actually, of course, therefore be with me. So what I'm planning on is posting of other pictures, maybe my grandfather's cars, they're interesting European cars. There's Opel, there's one Ford. My uncle, he drives a BMW, and also in the future I am considering and planning on posting more photos of my father's Volkswagen. That's right over there, because I'm thinking that of course the page will mainly mostly be picked photos of my Mustang, but I also want to add more cars to it. I don't really want it to be just my Mustang, as that could get a little boring. So definitely let me know, do you want to see photos of this summer of my grandparents' cars in Bulgaria, and also more photos from time to time of my father's Volkswagen? Let me know in the comments below. So that's really it for this episode. It's just quick updates on the car. Finally, now that the semester is over at university, we actually have more time to work on the car. We're gonna try and get as much work done as possible on the car in the upcoming 3.5 weeks before we leave for Bulgaria. That's the plan, put a lot of work in the car almost every day here in the garage, working for a few hours. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified when the next video of the series comes out. And yeah, see you in the next video.